So years ago, I used to feel this pain. ምን እንደሆነ አላውቅም፣ ከየት እንደመጣ አላውቅም, but it was always there. No, it's not something you share with people, not something I even can explain. No, I used to run from it. Well, no, መጀመሪያ ላይ አታውቁትም exactly what you're doing, why you're doing it. You just find yourself እዛ situation ውስጥ. I remember this one moment. So me and my friend in senior high school prom dinner organize አድርገን ነበር, the prom dinner night ነገር ነው. I remember everyone, our classmates ምናምን was inside waiting for dinner, በየግሩፖቻቸው ምናምን having a conversation, sharing laughs and so on. And ለምን እንደሆነ ወጥቼ, so the restaurants ግድግዳው it's all tempered glass, so you can see what's inside from outside. I don't remember ለምን እንደወጣው, ግን ስመለስ I could see everyone በግሩፕ ቁጭ ብለው እንደዚህ having fun, joking, laughing ነገር እና I organized it in part with my friend. ግን at that moment ቆሜ እያየው, like I feel nothing. It was all there was nothing. እና ለምንድን ነው, the first time I asked myself why am I feeling this way is የዛ moment. ግን after that it took me years to realize የነበሩኝ ሀቢቶች ዴቨሎፕ ያደረኳቸው ሜካኒዝሞች ኮፒንግ ሜካኒዝሞች ተረፈ all were built around me escaping from this pain that's been with me for God knows how long. እና በጣም ፕላን ባረግ ሰው ነበርኩ, ስኬጁል የሆነ ላይፍ ለመኖር መሞከር, ከዛ the perfect body, the perfect intellect, the perfect academics, perfect all around ለመሆን የሚሞክረው ልጅ ነበርኩ. And ግን I used to run into in a loop ውስጥ ገባው, or I realized that I was in a loop because ለተወሰኑ ወራቶች I would perform good 1 or 2 months, and ከዛ በኋላ in the third month ምናምን ነገር በቃ everything goes downhill. And በቃ all የሰራቸው ነገሮች ሁሉ destroyed ይሆናሉ. I self sabotage. ከዛ በኋላ ረን ማድረጋቸው ሀቢቶች ምናምን ነገር ራሴን አይዞሌት ማድረግ፣ ቢንጅ ኢቲንግ ምናምን ብዙ ዲስትራክቲቭ የሆኑ ኮፒንግ ሜካኒዝሞች ነበሩ። ኤንድ ኮንስተንትሊ ሙቪ ማየት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ስክሮል ማድረግ ወዘተረ። ሌተሮን ሪያላይዝ ያደረኩትኝ እነዚህ ሁሉ ኮፒንግ ሜካኒዝሞች they are escapes ነበሩ. For me not to feel the pain, I was running from the pain. እና ብዙ ነው ኮስት ያደረገኝ ፕሮዳክቲቭ መሆን በነበረብኝ ሞመንቶች when I needed to get something done because I was running from that pain, from that uncomfortable place. I wasn't productive. መወሰን ያሉብኝ ነገሮች መወሰን ባለብኝ ሰዓቶች አልወሰንኩኝም because I wasn't in the right space, because I was trying to run from that pain. እና ኋላ ላይ ሪያላይዝ ያደረኩትኝ ነካ እነዚህ ነገሮች ማደርገው እንደዚህ አይነት ሲቹዌሽን ሲሆን ነው where I start to feel that pain. እና every now and then pop up ሲያደርግ ያ ሳላውቅ ቢልድ ያደረኩት ኮፒንግ ሜካኒዝም starts running and then everything goes sideways. Because I was a constant loop of me building myself up and then going downhill, then after a while coming back up, going downhill, That was በጣም frustrating, so frustrating. And at some point I felt like nothing is going to change for me, because from the outside I'm the most industrious person. I got everything in line. I know what I'm doing. I, w- I look like I have everything figured out. But in the inside, I was losing hope. Like, ቀስ በቀስ ነገሮች ይስተካከላሉ የሚለው ይሄ ማይ ሆፕስ ኤንድ ድሪምስ አይነት ነገሮች ቀስ በቀስ ዲም እየሆኑ ነበር። ቢካዝ አይ ኖ አይ ዋዝ ረኒንግ ኢን ዲስ ሉፕ ኦቨር ኤንድ ኦቨር አጌን እና ኢች ራውንድ ማይ ሆፕ ትንሽ ዲም እየሆነች ምናምን መጣች እና የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ በቃ አይ ኦልሬዲ ኑ ኦኬ ኔክስት መንዝ እችን 3 መንዝ እንደዚህ አስታርጌ ሀቢቶቼ እንደዚህ አስታክዬ ወደ ፊትነስ ተመልሼ እዚህ ፕሮዳክቲቭ ሆኜ ይህንን አሳክቼ ምናምን ስል ባክ ኦፍ ማይ ማይንድ ስታርት saying you already know how this is going to go. And it's kind of frustrating. It was kind of frustrating because በዚህ በኩል you want to change, ያ ድሪማችን ምናምን ቼዝ ማድረግ ትፈልጋለህ፣ ግን በዚህ በኩል ደግሞ like your brain is also telling you we already know what's up, and what's up is that this is not going to work out because you're going to stop. So I don't know, maybe I saw a video of someone talking or I read it somewhere which I can realize ያደረኩትኝ all those negative habits, coping mechanisms that I've developed are basically ways for me to run away from my pain and realize I have tried everything. Journaling balut, building personal systems, building habits, reading, listening, whatever. Again, one thing I realized, and something that changed how I started to live, is the pain is not the issue. እኔ ፔኑን ፊል ላለማድረግ ነበረ ለመሮጥ ስሞክር የነበረው፣ ግን ፔኑ አይደለም ችግሩ። the pain is was telling me that I had something to work on, I had something to overcome, and me running the pain was basically እንዴት ነው መኪና እየነዳችሁ ምናምን ነገር ፊውላችሁ ምናምን ሬድ አብርቷል፣ ግን you trying not to look at the fuel, and every now and then your car breaks down and then you get it fixed, ግን that engine light still on, ፊውል ሰጥታላችሁ ይሄዳል፣ ግን still break down ያደርጋል, and then you find the next garage ትገፉታላችሁ ምናምን, and the same loop goes on. But what I needed to do was go get in that garage of mine and sit with it and learn to sit with the pain. ፊል እያረኩት ከሆነ I'm going to feel it fully. በጣም uncomfortable ነው ምናምን፣ ግን once I started, okay, for example I might be busy የሆነ ነገር stressed out ሆኜ ከሆነ the loop was, okay, I'll go onto social media and not scroll constantly something እየሰማሁ ነው podcast. Always I have headphones on my ears, always listening to something, because that was distracting me from thinking my thoughts, listening to my thoughts. So that was an escape for me, one version of the escape. Once I realized that, okay, እነዚህ ነገሮች happen ሲያደርጉ I don't have to run from them, even though it's uncomfortable ቢሆንም, okay, I have to feel them through, so that whatever እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ነገር I can know what it is, accept it, and move on. So instead of scrolling ምናምን, I started going out for a long walk without no phones, without no headphones, just me and my head. So what I started to notice is እንደዚህ አይነት ሎንግ ወኮችን ስወጣ or workout session ሊሆን ይችላል, or just sitting somewhere and thinking, just listening to your thoughts without any judgment or without any distraction. First, የመጀመሪያው few minutes, your ጭንቅላት my head is loud ብዙ አይዲያዎች ምናምን ይሄዳሉ ይመጣሉ ምናምን ነገር ግን አፍተር ዋይል ሰትል ዳውን ያደርጋል and after that comes the solution. oh እንደዚህ እኮ ፊል እያደረክ ያለው ሜቢ እንደዚህ ስለሆነ ነው in your life. okay, maybe this come from that ምናምን. I always find the solution at the end and I feel very good, and I also have more self-awareness than before I went out for that walk or for that sit down. So here's what I learned. In short, whenever you feel any type of pain, any type of discomfort, don't run from it. Sit with it, and you'll find all your answers exhaust. At least have done mine, and now I can say that I have broken that negative loop that I was running in. And trust me, honestly, I thought I would never get out of that loop, but now I did. And one thing I learned is uncomfortable mohono, the pain, it's not going to kill you, but it will tell you everything you need to know and everything you need to fix in your life so that you can grow and evolve. And that's what I misunderstood about pain. Now I understand what pain is and how to handle it. And instead of going into a negative spiral to cope with it and basically destroy my life bit by bit, I help sit with it, and I'm good. So I think that's what I know about pain.